Hi, and welcome to our channel, continuing with the overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars for the Innosinpo A10. At the time of the test, the price was around $40. Compact windshield camera with large display. Strengths: inexpensive, easy to use, large display, memory card included. Weaknesses: memory card included. Operating instructions are said to be poorly translated. There are no big surprises to be expected from the Innosinpo A10. It masters the common recording modes for dashcams, records videos in full HD, and thanks to the G sensor, automatically triggers recordings if it detects vibrations. For example, in a rear-end collision, recordings can be viewed on the 3-inch monitor. Settings are made via push buttons on the housing. The lens covers a large area of 170 degrees, and thus almost the entire scene of the front windshield. The light intensity is high, at f-1.8. Like most dashcams, this one also has to be supplied with power via the onboard electronics during operation. A micro SD card, which is included, serves as the memory. According to customers, this car camera delivers good pictures, at least if you don't compare them with those of very high-priced models. By the way, we've linked to you all the featured dashcams for even more details below in the video description. We also have many other comparison videos, just like this one. Our conclusion? Of course, each product has its own strengths and weaknesses. So everyone should decide for themselves what suits you and of course your wallet best. We have linked all the products in the video description for even more details. Have you already decided? Or maybe you have one of these products at home. Then we would be happy if you let us know which device you prefer, and above all, why. I hope that I could help you a little deciding on your purchase. If so, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon. Goodbye.